Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. Today in this video, we are going to fix the uploaded file exceeds the upload max file size directive in WordPress. We're going to fix this WordPress error. Log in into your cPanel account. Scroll down, search for software section. In that, you need to select php.ini editor. Under basic mode tab, you need to select the home directory or a domain's document root to open the corresponding PHP configuration. Scroll down until you find upload max file size. Here you need to change the size. I'm going to change from 2M to 15M, that is 15 MB. And I'm going to click on the apply button to save the changes. You will see a small pop-up saying successfully applied the settings. I'm going back to WordPress and re-upload the same plugin zip file. I click on install now. Boom, now it is installing the plugin from uploaded file. And this is how we fix the uploaded file exceeds the upload max file size directive. I hope you find this video helpful. Take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, be safe and take care.